Hi, 大家好. Through these videos, I would like to have more interactions to get more familiar to you guys, and will release the special coupons which can unlock all the study videos as a reward to the friends number close to 800 of my YouTube channel. Okay, let me introduce myself again. 我姓严，大家可以叫我严老师。严老师。And of course, you can call me Miss Yan or call me Murphy. Murphy is my English name, and I also has a Japanese name since I have studied and lived in Japan for many years. My Japanese name is Minori, which means ill-rich fruits. Once again, Minori. So you can call me Minori-san. Alright? And I opened these channels at early July this year, the same time when I launched my website, Chinese Voyage, the language learning platform. So it has been 5 months since from the launch, and now my YouTube friends numbered close to 800. So I guess the increasing rate is quite slow, right? But anyway, I think it's worth to celebrate, and I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself a little bit more as the thanks for your guys' trust. So I'm doing Chinese Voyage all on my own. It's my solo company. Why I'm doing this? I have worked in the brand communications and marketing industries for around 12 years, was helping many international brands and Chinese leading brands to build up their brand image and launch the products in China market. And since the working pace in China is too fast, and somehow is a little bit frustrated, I would say. So I started thinking about to build and own something for myself. Then I quit my job at 2018 and then moved to Japan. And from there, I have been engaged in the research and the study of Japanese and Chinese language education. And when the pandemic happened, I lived in Japan, and it triggered me to make up the decision about launching language learning platforms. There are 2 reasons behind that. One is I observed that the whole world is falling apart into different interest groups or the communities. And it's a pity that we tend to have more disagreements than the agreements. And my whole life until now is about the experience to foster the cross-cultural communications. In order to achieve so, I think the learning language is a very key step, which gives us one more cognitive styles, ways of thinking, and let us have the abilities and willing to foster the communications. And the second reason I launched the Chinese Voyage is because I observed that no matter where we are on the earth now, the world is currently facing a situation of slowing growth and increasing conflicts. So personally speaking, if we want to maintain the inner peace and the self-growth at this stage, I think language learning could be a very good choice. We just like to work out all the music instruments requires for the long-term practice, and eventually will make the skills and all the abilities into your own. So speaking of myself, I guess you guys can feel that I'm a very typical long-termist and a very calm, logical person. And I think I am patient, practical, and really hoping that all I'm doing now, even though it's all on my own at this stage, could be meaningful and helpful to you guys who want to learn Chinese or improve the Chinese skills. So in the next videos, I would like to take you guys together to explore the website of Chinese Voyage so that you can better leverage it to boost up your learnings. Now, as a reward to my YouTube channel friends, I'm going to release a coupon code. With this coupon, you can enjoy 50% off to all the products and the learning plans. Now, I'm going to show you how to use this coupon step by step. And you guys can find the coupon details in the description part of this video. So let's go! So this is our website. You can scroll down the home page to find the plans and then choose the plans which suits you. Or you can just start at the menu bar and click into the plans columns. So either way is okay. Then you choose the plans or products that suit you. For example, this is the most recommended and the cost-efficient ones. And let's click these buttons. Now we are jumping into the payment page. Then look at the left top corner. You will see they have a coupon text here. And then let's click into this text. Now key in the coupon code, which is YT15 off. Then you will see the pricing has been changed. And now it enjoys the 15% of offers. And continue to input the payment details, it will be done. Alright. And one more friends, I have left 2 questions written in Chinese in the community columns within the YouTube channels. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys there. And you can also leave any kind of questions related to the Chinese learning here. I will do an episode specifically to answer the questions you leave. Alright, so looking forward to more interactions with you guys. See you! 我们下期见，拜！